Alright, so Google's back at it again with the Pixel 9 Pro. This year they're making some bold claims, especially in the camera department. We'll see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions? It's a sleek piece of hardware. Google's definitely stepping up their design game. Now I know what you're thinking, another year, another Pixel, but trust me, this one feels different. The specs are impressive, but it's all about how it all comes together. We're gonna dive deep into the features, performance, and of course the camera. The big question is the Pixel 9 Pro worth your hard-earned cash? Stick around to find out. Let's get started. First up, let's talk design. The Pixel 9 Pro is a testament to Google's commitment to blending aesthetics with functionality. The Pixel 9 Pro has this really nice premium feel to it. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good in your hand. It's a glass and metal sandwich, very similar to its predecessor, but with some subtle refinements. These refinements make it more ergonomic and comfortable to hold for extended periods. The camera bump is still there, but they've integrated it better into the design. It now flows seamlessly with the back, giving it a more cohesive look. One thing I really appreciate is the build quality. The Pixel 9 Pro feels robust and durable, like it can withstand the rigors of daily use without any issues. It feels solid and well put together. Every component seems meticulously crafted to ensure longevity and reliability. The phone is also IP68 rated, which means it can handle dust and water like a champ. Whether you're caught in the rain or accidentally drop it in water, the Pixel 9 Pro has got you covered. No more babying your phone, you know? You can take it anywhere without worrying about minor spills or dust. They've kept the frosted glass back, which does a great job of resisting fingerprints. This means your phone stays looking clean and sleek, even with regular use. Trust me, that's a big deal. No one likes a phone covered in smudges and fingerprints. Overall, the design is clean, modern, and definitely feels like a flagship phone. It's a perfect blend of style and substance, making it a joy to use every day. Okay, let's talk about this display. The Pixel 9 Pro screen is one of its standout features, and it's easy to see why. The Pixel 9 Pro is rocking a 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED panel, and it is stunning. This display is not just about size, it's about quality and performance. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and it gets incredibly bright. Whether you're watching videos, browsing photos, or just navigating through apps, the visual experience is top-notch. But the real star of the show here is the 120 Hz refresh rate. This high refresh rate makes everything look and feel smoother. Everything feels buttery smooth, whether you're scrolling through social media or gaming. The difference is noticeable, and it enhances the overall user experience significantly. It's one of those things that you don't realize you need until you experience it. Once you do, it's hard to go back to anything less. Under the hood, we've got the Google Tensor G3 processor. This chip is designed to handle everything you throw at it with ease. This is Google's own custom chip, and it's paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM. This combination ensures that the phone runs smoothly, even with multiple apps open. Now I know benchmarks aren't everything, but this thing flies. In real-world usage, the performance is just as impressive. Apps open instantly, multitasking is a breeze, and I haven't experienced any lag or stutter. It's a seamless experience that makes using the phone a joy. Google's really stepped up their game in the performance department. The Pixel 9 Pro is a testament to how far they've come, offering a premium experience that rivals the best in the market. Alright, let's talk about the main event, the camera. The Pixel 9 Pro has a triple camera system, but it's not about the number of cameras, it's about how they work together. We've got a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 48 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. But the real magic here is Google's computational photography. Their image processing is second to none. Photos are detailed, dynamic range is incredible, and low-light performance is amazing. Portrait mode is still one of the best out there, and the telephoto lens gives you that nice reach for zoomed-in shots. Overall, the Pixel 9 Pro's camera is easily one of the best on the market. Now let's talk about battery life. The Pixel 9 Pro packs a 5,000 mAh battery, and it's more than enough to get you through a full day of use. I'm talking heavy use, like lots of social media, gaming, and even some video recording. And when you do need to charge, it supports fast charging so you can top it up quickly. On the software side, we've got Android 14 running out of the box. Google's Pixel launcher is clean, minimal, and just works. You get all the stock Android goodies plus some Pixel-exclusive features, and the best part, you're guaranteed at least 3 years of major software updates. Okay, so we've talked about all the good stuff. We've covered the design, the performance, the camera quality, and the software experience. Now let's dive into the price and see if it all adds up. Now let's talk about price. The Pixel 9 Pro is a premium phone and it comes with a premium price tag. It's definitely an investment, but is it worth it? The Pixel 9 Pro is priced to compete with other flagship phones on the market. It's not cheap, but you're getting a lot for your money. You're getting top-notch hardware, an incredible camera, clean software, and the promise of timely updates. But here's the thing, you're getting a lot for your money. You're getting top-notch hardware, an incredible camera, clean software, and the promise of timely updates. The camera alone is worth mentioning again because it truly stands out in the market. And let's not forget the software experience. The Pixel 9 Pro offers a clean, bloatware-free experience with the latest Android updates. This means you get new features and security patches as soon as they're available. So, is the Pixel 9 Pro worth it? If you're looking for the best Android experience and don't mind paying a premium, then absolutely. It's a fantastic phone that excels in almost every area. Whether you're into gaming, photography, or just want a reliable device for everyday use, the Pixel 9 Pro has got you covered. Its performance is top-notch, and it handles everything you throw at it with ease. It's a fantastic phone that excels in almost every area. However, it's important to consider your budget. If you're on a tighter budget, there are definitely other great options out there that won't break the bank. But if you're on a tighter budget, there are definitely other great options out there. You don't have to spend a fortune to get a good phone. There are plenty of mid-range devices that offer excellent performance and features. As always, thanks for watching. We hope this review helped you make an informed decision. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Peace.